Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you my garden tour. Without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, this is my entrance area of my home, where you can see varieties of different flowers, show flowers and all. You can see different one. And here it's a kind of rubber bag where we have been inserted some vegetables, some ginger, some tomato plants and all. And this is an onion flowers. And yeah friends, this is the top view of my garden, which I showed you at the starting of my video. You can see how it really looks from terrace, and this is the overview of my terrace garden. Hope you guys like this video on my garden too. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content. Thank you.